In a comprehensive update for the 2024 model year, Škoda Auto is revitalizing its Enyaq family. Breaking new ground, the Czech car manufacturer introduces the Lauren and Clement trim line to its popular battery electric model, boasting opulent standard equipment. Technological enhancements bring forth more potent drivetrains, reduced charging times, and an extended range. Moreover, the fresh vehicle software showcases a revamped, user-friendly interface. In the 2024 model year, the more efficient and powerful 85 and 85X model variants take the reins from the previous 80 and 80X versions. Parallel to the sporty RS models, these variants sport an enhanced drivetrain with an advanced permanent synchronous motor on the rear axle, reaching a top speed of 180 km per hour. Output for the Enyaq 85 sees a 60 kW increase to 210 kW*, a notable jump from the previous Enyaq 80. The all-wheel drive Enyaq 85X boasts 210 kW*, a 15 kW upgrade from its forerunner. The Enyaq RS now flexes an output of 250 kW*, a 30 kW boost. The optimized battery, featuring advanced thermal management, propels the range beyond 560 km for the Enyaq 85 SUV and over 570 km for the coupe. The entry-level Enyaq 60 remains unchanged technically. The 2024 Enyaq model's tailgate lettering and logos align with the new Škoda CI, omitting the 4 edition from the model name. The all-wheel drive Enyaq 85X and Enyaq RS now showcase enhanced charging performance with a heightened DC charging rate at fast charging stations, reaching up to 175 kilowatts. Charging the 82 kWh, 77 kWh net, high-voltage battery from 10 to 80% now completes in just 28 minutes, a notable reduction of 8 minutes or 22% from the previous duration. The Enyaq 85 variants with rear-wheel drive continue to charge at a maximum rate of 135 kilowatts. With the new vehicle software, the Enyaq family now supports battery preconditioning, preparing the battery for DC charging in low temperatures and optimizing charging speed by up to 22%. Additionally, the revamped interface boasts a more intuitive menu structure, allowing drivers to define shortcuts for frequently used vehicle settings and apps. The navigation system showcases new map graphics and a larger map area. Notable features of the vehicle software include a walkaway function for the KESI keyless entry system, automatically locking the vehicle when the driver moves away with the key. The sophisticated Enyaq Land K stands as the pinnacle of the range. This sought-after trim line offers an extensive array of standard equipment, featuring LED matrix beam headlights, LED rear lights with animated indicators, and a chrome grille illuminated by 131 LEDs in the crystal face. The Enyaq Land K also boasts exclusive 20-inch or 21 Land K alloy wheels. Exterior details, such as bumpers, diffuser, and mirrors, exude sophistication in platinum gray, while body-colored side skirts complete the look. Internally, the Enyaq Land K impresses with electrically controlled, heated, and ventilated front seats that include memory and massage functions, adorned with the Land K logo embroidered on the headrests.